Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add a printer on Windows 11. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to, of course, open first our browser. So once you open your browser right here, on the search bar, just search for your printer. So let's say, for example, that you have this printer. So what we're going to do is to just search for our driver and then just put download right here and then just click on enter. After that, let's say for example that this is your driver. So we're going to click on this. So just click on download right here. So we're going to download that. And then what we're going to do next is to click on open file. After that, what we're going to do next right here is to go into our search bar and then search for printers. After that, just click on printers and scanners. And then we're going to click on add device. After that, we're going to click add a new device. And then for this part, we're going to click add a local printer. And then for the existing port, in this part, we're going to look for any USB port right here. However, in my case, I don't have that. So I'm just going to click on null right here and then click on next. After that, just click on next again. And then after that, if you want to change the name, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to click on next. And then once it is done, if you look right here, you would now be able to see the driver, which is right here. So that is basically it.